Hello my little rising rockets, welcome to my channel. My name is Binal Patel. Those who have not subscribed my channel, do like and subscribe for the new updates. In this video we will be learning to write the beginning letter sound for the picture. Let's begin. Slide. Slide. Which sound did you hear in the beginning of the word slide? The sound S. Which letter makes the sound S? Letter S, correct. Sun, sun. Letter S makes the sound S. Soldier, soldier. Which sound did you hear in the beginning of the word soldier? Sound S. Which letter makes the sound S? Letter S, that's correct. Ankle, ankle, ankle. Which sound did you hear in the beginning of the word? A. Which letter makes the sound A? Letter A. Ambulance. Did you hear the sound A in the beginning of the word ambulance? Which letter makes the sound A? Letter A makes the sound A. Ambulance. Antelope, antelope. Letter A makes the sound A, antelope. Telephone, telephone. Which sound did you hear in the beginning of the word telephone? Did you hear the sound T? Letter T makes the sound T. Telescope, telescope. Which letter makes the sound T? Letter T, that's correct. Tennis, tennis. Did you hear the sound T in the beginning of the word tennis? Which letter makes the sound T? Letter T. Invitation, invitation. Which sound did you hear in the beginning of the word invitation? E. Letter I makes the sound E. Insects, insects. Which letter makes the sound E? Letter I. That's correct. Igloo. Igloo. Which letter makes the sound E? Letter I makes the sound E. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Which sound did you hear in the beginning of the word pumpkin? Sound P. Which letter makes the sound P? Letter P. Peanuts. Peanuts. Which letter makes the sound P? Letter P. Pastry. Pastry. Which sound did you hear in the beginning? P. Which letter makes the sound P? Letter P. Nails. Nails. Which sound did you hear in the beginning of the word nails? Sound N. Letter N makes the sound N. Nose. Nose. Which sound did you hear in the beginning of the word nose? That's correct. Letter N makes the sound N. Nest. Nest. Did you hear the sound N? Which letter makes the sound N? Letter N. Don't forget to watch and subscribe. My next video will be on Group 2, recognizing letters and its sounds. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.